In order to make the documents more fascinating, we will add effects to the text when we use WPS Writer to edit documents. So how can we set the text effects? Take this document as an example. Select the text content, click on the upper taskbar Home and Text Effects. Here we can add word art, shadow, reflection, and glow to the text. When we insert a text box in the document and enter the text, we can set the text of the text box to 3D rotation, such as parallel, perspective, and oblique. We can also set the text box to transform so that it can be transformed by path or bend. Click More Text Effects, then the task pane will pop up. Here we can set text fill and outline and text effects. We can make more advanced settings for text effects here, such as gradient fill, glow, color, size, and transparency. For more details on text artistic effects, you're welcome to enter WPS Academy.